Hey everyone, welcome to Money Mechanics Project, where we simplify personal finance. Want to know how long it will take for your money to double? You don't need a calculator. Just remember one simple formula, the rule of 72. The rule of 72 is a quick mental math trick used by investors. Simply divide 72 by your annual rate of return. For example, if your investment earns 12% per year, 72 divided by 12 equals 6 years. That means your money will approximately double in just 6 years. If your return is 8%, 72 divided by 8 equals 9 years. And if you earn 6%, 72 divided by 6 equals 12 years to double your money. Imagine you invest 1 lakh rupees at 12% annual returns. After about 6 years, it becomes around 2 lakh rupees. After another 6 years, it becomes around 4 lakh rupees. That's the power of compounding. Remember, the rule of 72 is an estimate. It works best for annual returns between about 6% and 12%, but it's still a great rule of thumb for quick financial planning. If you want to learn simple finance concepts that can help you build wealth, subscribe to the channel and share this video so you don't miss out on more powerful tools and tutorials to take control of your money.